friends, welcome to the new episode of View from the Bridge, which brings you face to face with the leaders of the maritime world. In today's episode, the spotlight is on good communication, which will help us to overcome the challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. KVH Industry is a leading manufacturer of solutions that provide global high-speed internet, telephone, and voice-over services via satellite to mobile phone users at sea, in land, and in the air. KVH is also a premier manufacturer of high-performance sensors and integrated inherited system for defense and commercial guidance and stabilization application. We are extremely delighted to have a conversation with Captain Milind, who is the KVH representative for Middle East and Indian region, to learn more about the latest development. Welcome to the interview, Captain Milind.
Thank you, Kinnari, and thank you also to Captain Nangia and Sailor Today for having me on your program.
As a leading service provider, KVH have been alert to the direct connection between coronavirus and surging demand for services. Ship managers are already facing new challenges, especially with regards to maintaining seafarers' well-being. I wanted to ask you, as a premier communication provider, can you please share some of the latest upgrades by KVH that enable seafarers and fleets to remain connected during the COVID-19 pandemic?
We know that connection with home is the number one welfare concern of seafarers, more so in the present situation where we have a coronavirus pandemic all over the world. In recognition of the critical needs to enable seafarers to stay in touch with their loved ones during the COVID-19 pandemic, in late March this year, KVH announced a program offering up to 50% discount on data plan upgrades for mini VSAT broadband and 50% discount on all prepaid crew calling cards that individual seafarers use for connectivity services. Several hundred vessels have already opted to increase their monthly data plans, and in response to this demand, KVH has now extended the program until December 31st. Besides these two promotions, KVH gives daily country-specific coverage on COVID-19 in all KVH Newslink newspapers. It also gives global COVID-19 coverage in KVH's Maritime News edition, which is sent free every day to all Newslink subscribers. Then there is free delivery of the video released by WHO about COVID-19 protection via the KVH Link service. KVH also provides free VoIP calls to iSwan's Seafarer Help, the 24-hour hotline. This service began in February earlier this year and is still going on. We feel that happy, well-trained and hard-working crews are vital to maintaining efficient shipboard operations. That is why KVH offers the finest crew well-being and training services to keep seafarers engaged, in touch with their homes, their loved ones, and motivated through connections with contents delivered easily and affordably, no matter where the vessels may operate.
As elsewhere, anxiety levels at sea is increasing due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Seafarers increasingly expect vessels to be fully connected. Could you please share some of the special features of your TracPhone V7 HTS and V11 HTS?
The V7 and the V11 HTS are two of the most advanced VSAT terminals with exceptional speeds. The V11 HTS offers expanded global coverage of the new dual KUNC band through a 1.1 meter diameter antenna and speeds as fast as 20 Mbps down and 3 Mbps up, whilst the V7 HTS offers Ku band through a 60 cm diameter antenna with speeds of 10 Mbps down and 3 Mbps up. Both come with dual channels, i.e. the high speed and the unlimited use data channels. These antennas are offered on the Agile plan as the only all-inclusive service without any commitment. That includes the hardware, daily TV and print news, training, free shipping, free installation, and zero maintenance costs. That is to say, there is no capex, no commitment, plus flexible monthly subscriptions, and there is no penalty if you need to cancel, giving ultimate flexibility. KVH TracPhone systems support easy crew calling over prioritized VoIP channels as well. KVH TracPhone HTS series terminal also supports WhatsApp and Microsoft Teams on both the high-speed channel and the unlimited data channel. Seafarers can connect to shore using these popular remote messaging, remote meeting, voice and video services via their KVH TracPhone HTS series terminal. In times of stress and worry, hearing a loved one's voice is invaluable for seafarers' well-being and morale.
Captain Milind, the maritime industry is going through its own digital transformation from digital port to vessel management. Do you agree?
Indeed, as Mark Woodhead, Senior Vice President KVH, had succinctly expressed recently at an international forum that digitalization affects seafarers in all parts of their lives, both at work and on the crew welfare side. They have an expectation that when they go to sea, they will get connectivity, access to internet, access to services similar to what they have at home. And at work, they expect that the software and the applications used in the office can also be used whilst they are at sea. So, digitalization is coming very quickly. Nowadays, masters are communicating over WhatsApp with superintendents, sending messages and photos taken on their smartphone. Digitalization has brought in the ease and swiftness of communication. With the innovative service of KVH Watch, which was launched recently by KVH, the equipment manufacturers can support their products worldwide with secure IoT, Internet of Things, connectivity for remote monitoring and real-time intervention. They gain a competitive edge with always-on access to equipment data and the ability to act in real time to resolve problems rapidly with remote troubleshooting, to reduce costly field service visits, to improve reliability through predictive maintenance, to collect historical equipment data, to resolve any warranty issues, turn service costs into service revenue, and gather real-world performance data for product improvement. So, digitalization is finding its way rapidly into the maritime industry at sea.
With increasing digitalization on vessels, could this result in the use of increased social media? Could it also be a double-edged sword for our seafarers? Please share your view on this matter.
People use social media not only as a source of information but also use it for support and entertainment. Social media can help to make sense of what is happening in and around the world. The current crisis highlights the strengths of social media in how it can be used for the purpose of communication and emotional support. Social media is a powerful medium of communication, but it has its own pitfalls as well, and seafarers should be trained to use it effectively. Seafarers should be aware, for example, that there is a risk of a misunderstanding when communicating loosely. In general, my advice would be to cross-check information that you get through social media. Social media is like a fireplace where, to get the warmth, you have to maintain a certain distance. Too close to it can burn your fingers, and too far away can leave you out in the cold.
Thank you, Captain Milind. That was indeed very helpful information. We are sure that our viewers will benefit from it. We also look forward to gain more insights from you into the future.
Thank you, Kinnari. It has been a pleasure being on your program today. I wish you all good health and stay safe. Goodbye.
As COVID-19 unfolds, much more will certainly need to be done to work more closely with ship owners, managers, and even the masters on board to ensure crew get access to the packages available. New communication technology and digitalization needs to provide the correct level of connectivity and welfare services to vessel crew. We at Sailor Today TV will definitely keep a track on latest development in this direction. We will meet again in another episode of View from the Bridge. Till then, stay safe and take care.